Hey there, Mrs. Gleason here, and I'm going to show you how to use your Apple Pencil with your iPad. So first you want to make sure that you've turned it on, and I'm going to show you some of the fun things that you can do once you have watched the first video on how to set it up in settings. Then this is something that you can do with it. So when you're writing an email, you could start writing the person that you want to send it to and find them. So now I have it set and I'm picking on one of my principals here. And and then you can just write in, let's see, I'm just gonna switch it right over to text for you. And you can just keep going, and you can see that I'm not like writing really well, and it's still picking it up. So I'm gonna write a few things here so I can show you some of the next features. Alright, so it put my exclamation point not where I want it. So something you can do is down here on the bottom, you have the back arrow, so I could just do that. I'm going to get the cursor in there, and then put my space in. And I got that little keyboard by just going down here and clicking keyboard, and it popped up the little tiny keyboard for me. Exclamation point. And also, if you don't have your keyboard up, this is the return button right here, so you can hit return. As well as you can hit return on the little keyboard if you do have it up. Okay, so now we have a little bit of stuff here to work with. And this was supposed to be topper, so I click on that, and then I can just back it up and fix toppers. And one of the ways to join, so I put the S for toppers not together. So I can just draw a line right here, and it will fix that. It puts my toppers together. Another thing you can do is if there's something that I wanted to delete, so maybe I don't need that word in there, so I'm going to just scribble it out and it goes away. You can also select something, so maybe I wanted to change this, so it will select it and then I could replace it with something else, or if I wanted to copy it, I'm going to use it in another place or cut it. Those are some options as well. And then let's say, okay, no, I wanted that back. I want to insert the word some right back in here. If I tap and hold, and then I wanted the word some right to there. And it will put it back in for you. And there you go. Those are some ways that you can use your pencil. So if you are faster at writing than typing, especially on an iPad, then this is a quick way for you to compose an email or even to work in any other app that requires a keyboard. Enjoy. And as always, shoot me an email or reach out to me if you have any questions or want help with this.